Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we are going to be looking at the YEARN.finance or YFI, currently at the $8,422 at the time of recording. We are ranked about 167 uh, at the rank with a market cap of about $297 million, right? We have a 24-hour volume of about $190 million. And today we are going to be looking at the price prediction for the month of December right here for uh, YFI. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. For last month, we saw a whopping 46% push to the upside right here for YFI. And without further ado, let us push to the chart. So today we are going to be looking at the chart right here for YFI, right, or YEARN.finance on the weekly time frame. Binance is the data source, right? And basically, we would just be using the 2023 data right here to just get it for YFI. We would have used this at the top, but right there they have another top right here in 2023, right? So from the top to the bottom, this was the bottom right here in 2023. First, we should be expecting to see price is our golden ratio first, right, which is the 0.618 level. So that could see prices at around that 11,800 and $55, and we could go to the back even to the $1 range. I mean to the 1 fib range, or even to the 1.618, right? But we always look at the 0.618 and the 1.618, right? So if we push back to the 0.618, which is very likely, we could see the price of YFI push back down to that $11,855 level, which would put YFI at around a 40% push to the upside. So that is what we are expecting for the month of December. The 0.618 is usually the golden pocket right here for YFI, which is currently at the $11,855 level. So that is what we are expecting for the month of December, a 40% push to the upside, back here to that $11,000 to $12,000 range, which is the golden pocket right here for YFI for the month of 2023, right? So that's the update on YFI for this, the price prediction for the month of December for 2023. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button, as we do this every day, giving you updates, technical analysis, and price predictions right here for YFI. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.